were saying what
understand? Yes, you will see.
Yeah, so the method to the mind.
So why haven't you dark glasses in the dark office?
Oh my. You know, it's always seem to hit the right questions. Well, when I was younger, you know,
oh, so have you checked it out properly?
Yeah, man, my glasses, my phone, my inverted glasses, but as I get older, you know, it's all
Protect the eyes. They're good. Fine, that's fine.
And then, you know, you add a little style to the disability.
Ooh, I love that. That's really nice.
So that's the whole idea. And then, this is how much.
That? Oh. I didn't know that you were on it though.
Because Mark is here registering his logo for his business, Academic Journeys, and this is like host various events, certain times, getting students geared. So it's gonna be like an exclusive thing. The only place you can find GoldMynd teaching is Academic Journey, no longer college.
Okay, I'm gonna leave you now with